Have you heard about the wonder drugs taking the weight loss and longevity world by storm? I'm talking about GLP-1 drugs and rapamycin. If so, you'll want to hear what I have to say about the connection between them and why you never want to take them together. I'm Leslie, and I'll be discussing a trend that's catching on among celebrities to lose weight and live long, all to help you reach your new prime of life. So you may have noticed some celebs using diabetes drugs like Ozempic, Wegovy, or Mounjaro to suppress their appetite to lose weight. Given their effectiveness, it's easy to think that if you can have a pill for weight loss, you can also find a pill for longevity. Sounds great, right? But for those of you who might think that using them together would be a great idea, a word of caution. There are serious health risks when using these drugs together. So for those of you who don't know what rapamycin is, it's a powerful drug that has potential anti-aging benefits. It works by inhibiting something called the mTOR, or mechanistic target of rapamycin pathway, and that regulates cell growth, metabolism, and aging. Now, rapamycin isn't naturally found in the body. It's a bacteria that was discovered in the soil on Rapa Nui, one of the Easter Islands, and was developed and used as an immune suppressant for transplant patients. That's what it's prescribed for today. But using rapamycin over time can result in muscle weakness, loss of tone, and fatigue. Some people develop signs of insulin resistance, they have difficulty controlling their blood sugar spikes, and they have an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Most of the concerns around rapamycin focus on its immune suppressing effects, and as a former autoimmune patient, I'm very concerned about that, since they'll make you more prone to infection. But my biggest concern for GLP-1 fans who want to double up with rapamycin is that it inhibits muscle growth and repair, and that makes it harder for your body to maintain muscle mass. Since GLP-1 drugs suppress hunger and make you forget to eat or only able to eat a much smaller amount, one of the major risks of taking them is not getting enough nutrients, especially protein, into your diet. Now, with 75% of American adults being overweight right now, it's no surprise that already 13% of them have tried or are on these GLP-1 drugs, and that many more are going to want to try it. This is revolutionizing the global food industry, which is now pivoting towards increasing protein in meals because the loss of protein is such a big deal. In fact, Swiss food conglomerate Nestle has already developed Ozempic meal support packs with more nutrient-dense, smaller meals and lots of protein just to help people not lose muscle, a potential side effect of these GLP-1 drugs. Now, pair those drugs together with rapamycin, which inhibits muscle growth, and you have the perfect muscle-wasting cocktail. Fortunately, there are safer ways to lose weight and protect your muscle mass without taking rapamycin. Here are some strategies that you can try. Number 1, focus on a protein and spermidine-rich diet to support muscle mass while losing fat. Incorporate more whole foods like lean meat, fish, legumes, mushrooms, and healthy fats, which will help you stay full while boosting your metabolism. For those of you who don't know about spermidine, it's a naturally occurring molecule that we all make in our gut biome and tissues, and we get from plants. It's a fasting mimetic and activates autophagy or cell renewal, just like rapamycin, but unlike rapamycin, it does not inhibit the mTOR pathway, and it actually doesn't stop muscle growth, but will help your muscle growth. Number 2, exercise. Strength training is essential for maintaining muscle mass. Regular resistance workouts can counter the muscle loss that often accompanies weight loss. Even moderate exercise, just walking to your car parked a little bit further away, helps activate mTOR, improving muscle growth and repair. And my favorite hack for this is using the Katsu blood flow restriction bands out of Japan. I've done separate videos on this. I've also done separate videos on spermidine where you can watch and learn more about these. Number 3, consider supplements such as creatine and spermidine, which support mTOR activity and muscle preservation. Green tea extract and fiber supplements can also help with weight management by enhancing fat oxidation and promoting satiety. So while rapamycin may offer some exciting potential in anti-aging research, its risks, especially from muscle loss as well as insulin resistance and immune suppression, have got to be considered. For those of you looking to lose weight safely, focusing on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and targeted supplements is a healthy and sustainable alternative. But whatever you do, please do not take these two drugs together, as you will just lose valuable muscle tissue in the process. As ever, always consult with your healthcare practitioner before trying any new weight loss regimen. And if you've tried GLP-1 drugs and rapamycin together, please share your experience in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below so that I can take a look at them and make those videos for you. If you found this eye-opening, please hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs to watch it, and let's spark a conversation about safer pathways to longevity. In the meantime, stay curious, stay healthy, and stay empowered on your path to your new prime of life.